What if I told you that the future of fixing crooked teeth isn't braces, isn't Invisalign, but actually regrowing your teeth from scratch? Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, with Japan's groundbreaking tooth regeneration drug moving through human trials right now, millions of people are asking, can this technology fix my crooked smile? Today, we're diving deep into whether tooth regeneration can solve one of dentistry's oldest problems. Stay tuned, because what you're about to learn might change everything you thought you knew about orthodontics. Welcome back to Medical Miracle, and today we're retackling a question that has been flooding our comments section ever since we covered Japan's revolutionary tooth regeneration drug. If you're new here, we've been following the incredible progress of TRG-035, the world's first tooth regrowth medicine, which is currently in human clinical trials in Japan. But here's the million-dollar question that nobody's really addressing. If you can regrow a tooth, can you regrow it straight? Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, because we're your #1 source for updates on this life-changing technology. And if you've ever dealt with crooked teeth, drop a comment below. Let's get into it. First, let's understand why teeth become crooked in the first place, because this is crucial to answering our main question. Crooked teeth aren't just about the tooth itself. In fact, the tooth is usually perfectly fine. The problem is where it grows and how it's positioned. There are several reasons teeth come in crooked. Genetic factors play a huge role. If your jaw is too small for all your teeth, they'll crowd together and twist to fit. Think of it like trying to fit 10 people into a car meant for 5. Everyone's getting squeezed. Early childhood habits like thumb sucking or prolonged pacifier use can actually push developing teeth out of alignment. Premature tooth loss is another big one. When you lose a baby tooth too early, the surrounding teeth can drift into that space, causing the permanent tooth to come in crooked. And here's the kicker: jaw development issues. Sometimes the upper and lower jaws don't grow at the same rate, creating misalignment, overbites, or underbites. So when we talk about fixing crooked teeth, we're not just talking about the tooth. We're talking about space, positioning, jaw alignment, and the forces that guide where a tooth ends up. Keep this in mind, because it's about to become very important. Now, let's talk about how tooth regeneration technology actually works, because this will help us understand its limitations and possibilities. The Japanese tooth regeneration drug, developed by Dr. Katsu Takahashi and his team, works by blocking a protein called USAG1. This protein normally suppresses tooth growth in adults. By inhibiting it, the drug essentially flips a genetic switch that tells your body, hey, it's okay to grow teeth again. Here's what happens. The medicine is injected directly into your gum, and it activates dormant tooth buds that we all have hiding in our jaws. Yes, you heard that right. You already have the biological machinery to grow extra teeth. Evolution just turned it off. Once activated, these tooth buds go through the same developmental process that created your original teeth. A new tooth begins to form, mineralize, and eventually erupts through the gum, just like when you were a kid. The current trials are focused on people with congenital tooth agenesis, meaning they were born missing certain teeth. The goal is to help them grow those missing teeth naturally, without implants or dentures. But here's where it gets interesting for our question about crooked teeth. The drug does unchange your jaw structure, your available space, or the forces that caused crookedness in the first place. It simply grows a tooth. All right, here's the moment of truth. Can tooth regeneration fix crooked teeth? The short answer is, not directly, but it opens incredible possibilities. Let me explain. If your teeth are crooked because of crowding, jaw size, or alignment issues, simply regrowing a tooth won't solve that problem. The new tooth will face the same spatial constraints as the old one. It's like replacing a crooked picture frame on a tilted wall. The frame isn't the problem, the wall is. However, and this is huge, tooth regeneration could revolutionize how we approach orthodontics in several ways. Strategy 1. Extract and regrow. Imagine this scenario. You have severe crowding. Instead of years of braces, what if you could extract the crooked tooth, wait for it to regrow, and guide it into the correct position as it develops? Orthodontists could use space maintainers or guided eruption techniques to ensure the new tooth grows straight from the start. This is theoretical right now, but it's not science fiction. Strategy 2. Selective regeneration. What if you could choose which teeth to regrow? If you have a severely malpositioned canine, you could potentially remove it and regrow it in a better position. especially if combined with jaw expansion techniques that create more space first. Strategy 3. The childhood intervention. This might be the most exciting possibility. For children with developing crooked teeth due to premature tooth loss, tooth regeneration could prevent crookedness before it starts. Instead of waiting for a permanent tooth to come in crooked, you could regrow the lost baby tooth, maintaining proper spacing and guidance for everything else. The jaw problem, but let's be real, if your crookedness is caused by jaw misalignment, a small jaw, or skeletal issues, tooth regeneration alone won't fix that. You'd still need orthodontic intervention, possibly jaw surgery or expansion devices. The tooth is just one piece of the puzzle. What the experts say, I've been following the research closely, and while Dr. Takahashi's team hasn't specifically addressed orthodontic applications yet, the biological principles suggest that a regenerated tooth is just as malleable and movable as a natural tooth. That means traditional braces or aligners would still work on regenerated teeth. So what does the future actually look like? Let me paint you a picture of what might be possible in 10 to 15 years. Scenario 1. Precision orthodontics. You go to your orthodontist with crooked teeth. Instead of 2 years of braces, they create a customized treatment plan. Extract 3 problematic teeth, use guided regeneration to grow them back in optimal positions, and you're done in 6 months. No brackets, no wires, just strategic regrowth. Scenario 2. Childhood prevention. A child loses a tooth early in an accident. Instead of waiting years and dealing with drift and crookedness, the dentist administers tooth regeneration therapy. The tooth grows back perfectly, preventing a cascade of orthodontic problems. Scenario 3. Combined therapy for complex cases. Imagine combining jaw expansion, tooth regeneration, and targeted orthodontics into one comprehensive treatment. Instead of choosing between imperfect solutions, you get a completely customized approach. The technology gap. But here's what we need to develop to make this happen. Precise control over tooth positioning during regeneration, better understanding of how to guide eruption angles, and the ability to predict and control tooth size and shape. We're not there yet, but the Japanese trials are giving us the foundational knowledge. The truth is, tooth regeneration isn't a magic bullet for crooked teeth right now, but it's a powerful new tool that could completely change how we think about orthodontics. So, can tooth regeneration fix crooked teeth? The answer is nuanced. It can't fix the underlying causes, like jaw size or alignment issues, but it opens up revolutionary new treatment strategies that weren't possible before. The real breakthrough isn't just regrowing teeth, it's the ability to reset your dental development, giving orthodontists a chance to intervene in ways that were impossible with permanent teeth. As Japan's clinical trials progress and this technology becomes available worldwide, we're going to see entirely new approaches to treating crooked teeth emerge. The combination of regeneration, orthodontics, and guided growth could make traditional braces look as outdated as wooden dentures. What do you think? Would you consider extracting and regrowing a crooked tooth if it meant avoiding years of braces? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and share it with anyone who's struggling with crooked teeth or considering orthodontic treatment. And don't forget to subscribe to Medical Miracle, because we'll be bringing you every major update on tooth regeneration as it happens. In our next video, we're exploring whether tooth regeneration can work for people with diabetes and other chronic conditions. You won't want to miss it. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and remember, the future of medicine is happening right now.